It's really amazing what we have going on. One second we're working on a teens car, a 1912 Rolls-Royce, 1913 Ghosts, all the way up to 2012 to the latest and greatest, whether it's Mini Cooper, Jag, Land Rover, even Aston Martins and Ferraris. Just never know what's going to show up. My dad moved here from England in 1980. He literally flew from Manchester, England, into San Luis Obispo Airport. He was just married, came down here to the shop, rented this property. 2 weeks later, my mom flew out, and the rest is kind of history. British Sports Cars was born. So we can do anything the dealer can do and some, oil changes, services, brake jobs, AC, electrical problems, software issues. If it's on a car, we could do it. And then again, for the classics, whether you need the paint, the upholstery, brakes, you want a full ground up restoration, you just need it checked out and going over. We can handle all of it. I really like the 50s Austin Healey's. Really like the early Jags. In my mind, like the true sports cars. No stereos, no nothing, take the windshields off or lay them down, go racing, what a sports car was. If I didn't love it, I'd be looking for something else to do. Life's too short. I love coming to work every day. I love the variety. Love showing up and doing it. To be in a business like this, to be successful at it, you have to love it.